1,500 times zoom, digital zoom.
The gamekeeper. Said anything?
No, I just see a robot, but nothing else. Nothing this evening. We keep looking if we can find. Get there then.
Hey?
Yeah. See it?
Where? Oh, use this one. Oh. Use that lamp.
Yeah. Turn the light on the camera.
Can't. You have to turn the camera off. Alright, so you can see some pheasants.
We've got some of those pen really, isn't there? Ready?
Yeah, go on then. Don't get him.
Yeah. Them. Oh well, man.
Look, you need the light.
Where's the light? Up here, that.
Hold on, don't shoot yet.
Yeah.
Got him. He's got some dinner for us, brother. Hello. Look at there.
Yeah.
Good shot. So look at catapults you're using.
I'm using cheap shit up. There's a tank like that. Milbra.
Milbra.
Throughout the night. Pigeon supper.
Tell us when you're ready.
What one you got? I'll go to the one just about front. We'll go pick up.
Hold on. Got him.